at c goes to 1 from the left side is what? C goes to 1 from the left side. This is 1. So from the left side, what happened?
Which function? You have two different.
This is 1. From the left side, yes. From the left side. Who said 3? Who said 3? Very nice. 3. Limit, if you come from the left side, it is 3. You see that?
Because it's the highest point or what? Based on what?
Okay, alright.
Because there is 1, 2.
Because this is, alright, this is, you first see that one, right? And then there you end. Okay.
Yeah, but Professor,
Yes.
I don't understand. This is like, it's like a piecewise function. So how
This is piecewise function, yes.
Yeah, so how do you get to...
This is one function. Alright. So if you come from this side, from the left, right? From the left. From the left. Then you end over here.
Yeah, but you said at 1.
Because at 1, we're gonna come from the both sides. Let's come from the right side, and then you ask me again. C goes to 1. You tell me. If you come from the right side, where do you end? If you come from the right side, what is the limit? 1, right? Then it's not 3, right? It's 1. Why it is 1?
Yeah.
Because right here you follow something and you end over here. 1. So this is 1. Okay.
Why? Is it the same graph? Like it's one graph?
It's a piecewise graph. It's not continuous graph. It's a piecewise graph.
Why you don't just project when it's approaching to 1 and see the y? You just, so it's 1 when you want to come to 1.
This one you are claiming that this is 1?
No, the second one.
This is the second one?
Yeah, the second equation.
The second one, yeah.
Tending to 1 by staying at the left. What do you get?
I did not understand your question. If C approaches to 1 from the right side, is that you ask me?
How much?
If C approaches to 1 from the right side, what is the limit?
Okay.
1. If C approaches to 1 from the left side, what is the limit? There is a hole here. The limit, there is a hole over here. There is a hole over here. Okay? The hole is to help you understand, you're never going to be at that point. You're going to be approaching that point. You're never going to be at this point, whatever this point is.
So the hole is an empty value?
Hole, yes.
Yeah.
For example,
Interruption.
yeah, that's you don't need to know what his hole is. You come from both sides, right? 1.22 and 1.2. We saw many examples. You saw the numeric example. Let's use the numeric example to help you understand. You saw that the first one was, when we did the first problem, 4.9t squared. What did you see? From the left, from the right, it approaching to what number? 19.6. We don't exactly care about it is like whatever number is, but it is approaching 19.6. Does that make sense? We even don't know what is actual number is. It's probably 19.6 something. We don't care, but it is approaching to 19.6. So this is approaching to 3. That's what it is. Approaching to 3, and this is approaching to 1. It never be at 3, and it never be at 1. Does that make sense? Never be at 3, never be at 1. But the main fact we have to understand here is, do they approaches at the same number?
No.
So limit does not exist. One-sided limit exists, but the problem does not ask you to find one-sided limit. It asks you to find whether limit exists. Limit does not exist because limit from the right is what?
It doesn't equal the limit on the left.
It's not equal to, so limit does not exist.
So-
Limit does not exist.
My question is,
Yes.
coming from
Yes.
And you hit 3 because you're following the line of the.
That's right.
Okay.
Following the line. Okay, let's see whether you can follow the next one. Let's do the next one. Why don't you do the next one? Limit, what should I write here? Limit C goes to what? Where is the number? 2. From the left. C goes to 2 from the left, from the left, from the left, from the left, from the left. What is it?
1.
How can it be 1? Use the same idea we just did. 2. Right? 2, right? We stick to the same idea we used before. We agree? Everyone agree? 2. Limit C goes to 2 from the right. Let's go to right. C goes to right. C goes to 2 from the right. What do you get? 1. Everyone agree we get 1? Everyone agree? Does limit exist? Does not exist. Okay, let's do the now last one. Limit x C goes to what? 4. This one is easy. From the left, what do you get? From the left, 2. Limit C goes to 4 from the right. You go. 2. Exist. Okay, the last one is easy because it marches to the same point. Never be at 2. If you see 2 and you think you can be at 2, no, you are not allowed to be at 2. If you are allowed to be at 2, then the whole notion of limit doesn't even make sense. Then we are talking about 0 over 0, right? Back in your mind, you have to have that 0 over 0 then. You will never be at 2. You approaching 2, right? Okay.